Hello, everybody. I am Ruben, and I am the owner and operator of Affordable Solar Panel Cleaning Pros. And this is my first YouTube video. And in this video, I'm just going to give a quick run through of my mobile solar panel cleaning washing setup. And I also have two packages that arrived that I want to open on camera with you guys. All right, so again, this is Ruben with Affordable Solar Panel Cleaning Pros, and I wanted to give a just a quick video on my mobile van setup. This right here is my 2013 Ford Transit Connect vehicle, and I bought it on OfferUp. And when I originally bought it, it was kind of set up for like camping. It kind of had like a pull-out bed and some shelves and things like that. But as you can see, I totally changed the inside. Although, if you look carefully, you can actually see there is still some of the wood paneling that was left over from the previous owner to kind of make it a little bit more homely. And this right here is like a box that kind of opens and closes right here. There's a little bit of wood paneling that's kind of like a little cubby space, and again, that was left over from its previous life. Anyway, this is my setup that I have here. Let's see, what do I have? I have a two deionization tanks. Let's see, 1 and 2. So the source water comes in through one side and it gets cleaned through these two tanks, and then in turn the clean water gets fed back into this 100-gallon tank, which is right here. So this is going to be clean deionized water. You always want to clean your solar panels with deionized water, and basically what that does is that leaves a spotless streak-free shine on your solar panels. Here is my pressure washer setup. It's based on a Honda engine, and I believe it's about a 2700 psi. This is about 200 feet of pressure washer hose. I also have my pressure washer gun. Let's see if I can take it out. Let's see, there's my pressure washer gun right there. And it's also important to note that I don't use the pressure washer gun on the solar panels at all. You would never want to do that, because that would actually more than likely break the glass on the solar panel. So that's something you never want to do. But the pressure washer gun, the wand, has a lot of uses that I can also do with my mobile van setup. I also have a 17-foot ladder. You can see, what is this? It's called a Little Giant leveler ladder. And I actually got this ladder used on OfferUp. I got the van used on OfferUp. And however, my pressure washer setup is actually from AM Pressure Washing from Mark, and he's an amazing guy. His phone number is 951-440-9063, or you can email him at mark@ampw.com, and then there's his website, ampw.co. So it's not .com, it's .co. And with this setup, I'll be able to do a lot of different pressure washing services, like maybe cleaning driveways, cleaning decks, whether they're wood decks or composite decks. I can do house washing. I can even do detailing cars with this setup. I have different tips on the wand to have different spray patterns. Because you need to be very careful. You need to make sure to pick the correct tip for your pressure washing gun wand, because you don't want to damage any of the materials that you're working with. And so yeah, this is it so far today. We're working on the headlights on the van, so you can see that's why the hood's up. Working on that right now. And so yeah, this is my setup, and I'll talk a little bit more about it later. But the other thing I wanted to talk about today is I got two packages, and package 1 and package 2, and we're gonna go ahead and open those up on camera for you guys. All right, as promised, I'm gonna go ahead and open up package 1 and package 2. This package actually came from Bob Hart at Premier Water Cleaning Systems. And if you're looking for any type of equipment to go ahead and do pressure washing, window washing, anything like that, solar panel cleaning, he has all the knowledge and all the experience to let you know exactly what tools you need to get the job done. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box now. Sorry about the background noise. We're still working on the headlights of the van. Basically what we're doing on the van is we're trying, the headlights are kind of yellow and old, so he's kind of sanding them down and he's going to put a clear coat on it. So what you're hearing in the background is a compressor. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and open the box. All right, let's move my drink out of the way. All right, what do we got here? Let's see. This is the bill of sale. I'm gonna go ahead and put this over here. This has got my personal information on it. Anyways, let's see. We got an empty bag. That's interesting. Let's see. Maybe this is part of the, oh, what is this? I dropped it up there. Let's see here. You know what? Let me switch to the wide angle lens. Okay, switching to the wide angle lens. Okay, here appears to be a manual, and it looks like this is the manual for this large item over here. So I'm gonna save this one. And let's see, okay, let's talk about, let's see, what do we got here? Okay, so this first item, this is what's called a, I wrote it down, a ball valve assembly. So basically this thing, it goes, let's see, oh, it goes, it's gonna, I believe, quick connect here, and this end is gonna connect to my water fed pole and to my brush. And so basically with this item, this is very useful. This is very time saving because this will allow you to control the flow of water when you're up on the roof, or you know, maybe if you're down on the ground doing some other pressure washer applications. But this will allow you to control the flow of the water without having to, you know, especially get off the roof, climb all the way down the ladder, and you know, turn off the pressure washer. So that's the first item, and I believe this can handle up to 6,000 PSI. So yeah, that is a ball valve assembly. All right, so let me put that right here. And next item I got is what's called the Sola brush. And this is from Solitech. And basically this Sola brush, you can see it's got bristles on here. They're not too hard. But basically this is going to be my primary cleaning tool for the solar panels. And let me see if I have the dimensions on this. Let's see, I wrote it down here. This is a 58 centimeter brush. I believe this brush comes in two sizes. I got the larger size. So basically this is about half the width of a solar panel. So basically a setup like this will really go ahead and help speed up cleaning your solar panels with that streak-free shine, spotless shine. Remember, and that's only achieved by using clean water from the 2 DI tanks that I have there. And yeah, this is also part of my investment, my equipment into my company. Again, this is the Sola brush from Solitech. And actually, this brush was actually recommended to me by my good friends Rick and Henry at SoCal Solar Panel Cleaning. I can put their link in the video description. So they recommended I get the Sola brush. And let's see what else I got here. It looks like I got some hose, some pressure washer hose. So this is, I'm not sure how many feet it is, but I guess it's part of the brush. And actually, as you can probably guess it, inside that big box is my new Solitech pole, water-fed pole. And so, let's see. Oh, I got 2 of these things. So again, I need to go ahead and maybe this cleans the brush. I don't know. I guess I got to look at the manual and see exactly how I use these 2 things. There's 2 of them. And, oh yeah, this right here, I believe this item allows you to connect your, maybe connect your brush to my new Solitech water-fed pole. So I'm gonna have to look more into that. Anyways, that's the first box I wanted to open up. Oh, you know what? There's actually 3 of these. Wow. So these must be pretty important if they sent me 3 of them. All right, welcome back, everybody. I had to change video locations. But anyways, it's all good. Let's see. So now I'm going to go ahead and open up my second package from Mr. Bob. And let's see here. It's us pretty much already opened up. Let's see. There we go. All right. So let's go ahead and take out this bad boy. All right, let's take a look at this bad boy. Wow, it's not as heavy as I thought it was. So let me take off this packaging. And as you can see, this is the Solitech brush. It actually, telescoping brush. It extends to 49 feet. And this thing was not cheap, let me tell you. This, the brush and the telescoping pole cost almost half of what I paid for the van. It's really super expensive. But anyways, the pole and brush was recommended again to me by my good friends at Henry and Rick at SoCal Solar Panel Cleaning Company. And they said with this setup, with my Sola brush and my Solitech telescoping wand, they said with this setup I could do a quick jobs of cleaning solar panels. And also they said it's very lightweight, and they said you want to get the biggest one that you can afford. There's actually 2 Solitech poles, and I got the larger of the 2. So this one will be able to easily access second story roofs if for some reason I can't get to the second story myself. This is to make it a lot safer and easier for me to clean the solar panels. Of course, I'm sure on all you're not going to be able to use this on all applications for second story roofs, because some panels might be tricky to get to, and you're not going to be able to get them from the ground even with a 49-foot pole telescoping brush. But another good reason to get a telescoping brush as opposed to the modular brush is that with this setup, the pressure washing hose actually is protected inside the telescoping pole. So Bob actually told me that's another reason to go ahead and get the telescoping brush. The telescoping pole. Because if you were going to go with a modular system, he said that you're going to have the your pressure washing hose kind of dangling and maybe like getting in the way of when you're working. So this is a little bit more tidy and a little bit more manageable by having the pressure washing hose actually inside the telescoping pole. Anyway, so again, this is my 49-foot Solitech telescoping pole. It's carbon fiber. Like I said, this and the brush were very expensive, but I'm putting a lot of money into my company. I want to use the best materials, so I'm taking professional advice and starting off with the best equipment and materials. That way I can do an awesome job for my customers. All right, everybody. Well, that kind of concludes my first YouTube video. Hopefully my second YouTube video will be a little bit better, more polished, but as you can see, I'm kind of starting for the ground up, starting my own solar panel cleaning business, pressure washing business, and I hope to my plan is to document my journey and put all my trials and errors, all my mistakes, all my newfound learning. I was a teacher for many years, and so a lot of times we say learn by doing, and so that's kind of like me and my journey. Like I say on my webpage, is that education is not a destiny, it's a journey. So I hope you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel and stick with me as I go ahead and embark on a new career and cleaning Southern California solar panels and offer other pressure washing services. And I can't wait to do a great job for you. All right, everybody, have a great day.